Hello, this is Miss Gasparini with another video for all my lovely first grade mathematicians. Yesterday, you met my brother Vince, and he helped to review 1 more and 10 more. Remember, reviewing is talking about something you've already learned about. Today, I thought I would review 1 less and 10 less with you. So today, we're going to review subtraction. Let's look at our first problem. We're going to do 1 less here. Our number is 2 10s and 3 1s. What number is that? Yup, 23. 2 10s and 3 1s is 23. Now I'm only going to take away 1, which means I'm not going to look at my 10s. I'm only going to look at my 1s. And since I'm only taking away 1, I'm going to cross out 1, 1. So now I have 2 10s, which didn't change, and 2 1s, which means 23, take away 1, equals 22. 1 less than 23 is 22. My 1s changed, but my 10s stayed the same. Our next number is here. We have 3 10s and 4 1s. What number is 3 10s and 4 1s? That's right, 34. This time we're going to take away 10. So we're not going to look at the 1s. We're only going to look at the 10s. And I'm going to cross out 1, 10. So now I have 2 10s. That's changed. But I still have 4 1s, which means 34 minus 10 equals 24. 10 less than 34 is 24. My 10s changed this time, but my 1s stayed the same. I also have 2 videos about double-digit subtraction, with and without regrouping. When you are subtracting 2 two-digit numbers, your 10s and 1s can both change sometimes, and those videos will show you what I mean by that. I'm very proud of you for working as hard as you are. Keep up the good work. I really look forward to seeing you again, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye.